Hey kids, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a super awesome way to crawl. It feels really just neat and good, but it looks weird as all get out. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Just give this a try. I think this is a tremendous way to make your back feel amazing. It's a great way to strengthen your back also, but it just feels good and it looks really weird. So here's what we're going to do. We're gonna extend, go down to the forearm, bring the leg up and around and come down. Then we're gonna push up, extend. And this part here, man, just this angle and controlling that leg as it comes down feels so good. So this is the really cool, really odd looking way to crawl. And again, this is the part that feels so amazing. And that's pretty much it. It's just as weird as that, but I mean, you got to try this one to experience the goodness that's in this crawl. So again, you're here, this leg comes up and around. You come up if you want, you don't have to. You come down, and this is really fun to do slow, and that allows you to control the goodness that you're experiencing. And that's it. Give that a shot. Again, this is a great way to gently strengthen your back. It's a great way to just feel good. It's a great way to connect the left and right hemispheres of your brain because you're still engaging in contralateral movement. And you're also working on control and finesse while you do it. So there's just a lot of good qualities you can develop in engaging in this really cool yet odd looking crawl. So that's our tip for this week. Give that a shot. And if you do try it, please write back. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.